Morning.
Good
Good
morning.
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 Yay, everybody's awake, sort of.
Coffee.
Coffee. Coffee and more coffee? I think Carla will raise her cup in your general direction. There you go. Cheers.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to be working more on Big Mon. And my plan is I'm going to start at the beginning of the song and play the whole thing. And so play along as far as you can to kind of brush the cobwebs off. And then we're going to go really deeply into the B section. And hopefully get the B section all the way organized in your head today. So if A section is still fuzzy, just play along as well as you can and then know that your B section will be ideally more stable, shall we say. All right. Make sure I'm not competing with anybody. Make sure I don't start to go faster than we're ready to play. So this is overview of Big Mon. Play along as far as you can. We're starting on E. 4-1. Repeating the A section. Beginning the B section. Repeat of the B section, kind of. So there's our extra friendly overview. And I think last time we did about 3-ish measures of the B section. So I want to start the B section in a smaller chunks of things. So first measure of the B section. Quick review. Ready and again and so next measure starts on a C. Quick review of that one and again and be sure, and. All right, so this is the third measure of the B section. This is, I think, where it starts to get fuzzy for you guys. First four notes, starting on an E. Ready, and. Again, and. All right, so the next four notes. We're going to be doing C, C sharp, and go ahead and just get used to putting a slide in between those two. C, C sharp, A, G. So you're deliberately making the noise that you try and avoid when you're shifting. We have it there on purpose. So the whole third measure of the B section. We'll do just that, and. Again, and. Again, and. Again, and. Again, and. All right, so I'd like to go back and put those three measures together. Beginning of the B section. Ready, play. Again, and. Again, and. All right. Does everybody have those three measures? Thumbs down. Okay. So first measure, A, E, C sharp, A, E, E, F sharp. Second measure, C, B, A, G, A, G, E, D. Third measure, E, G, A, E, C, C sharp, A, G. All right, so we'll practice that maybe 2 more times. 3 measures. Oh, must keep myself honest. Ready, and. Again, and. Again, and. That's looking more promising. Again, and. All right, so those 3 measures we're going to call Charlie. So you've got Charlie, the 3 measures. After Charlie, the 3 measures. ends on B. Starts on A, ends on B. Let's try it. Again, and. Again, and. Again, and. Again, and. All right, so we're going to play Charlie and that turnaround. Beginning of the B section. Ready, and. Let's try it again. Ready, and. Okay, one more time. And. Everybody got that? Shake your bow, flick, wag your tail. Oh, a thumb sideways. All right, so the new turnaround part.
No. The biggest problem with what we just learned is that we didn't tie it to the other thing. We didn't have like notes, now let's add our new thing. We had the whole entire thing, and so we're swapping through that and lost. And the new part, which we could play, we couldn't play because we never tied it in. So the whole thing was fake. But that's just me.
Because the first part of the first part of Charlie we learned last week.
That's right. And if you had done section of Charlie, this is for me only, like maybe at least 4 times.
All right, so we'll do Charlie with the turnaround. Is that good?
Well, let's do turnaround new 100 times and then go back and do Charlie if you don't mind. Or anything. I had no way to get from Charlie to.
You don't know how the Charlie fits with the turnaround? Is that the problem?
Well, I was too lost.
All right, so you're coming out of Charlie, and the turnaround starts on A. So you
Yes,
just played a G at the end of Charlie and you go to an A. Is that the connection question?
That will help. But
Okay.
don't get too big, too long.
You want to know Charlie. Charlie is your friend because it's going to be Charlie, baby turnaround. Charlie, different baby turnaround. Charlie, first baby turnaround, and then something new.
Charlie is my best friend.
Charlie is your absolutely best friend. He's the big mon right now. So that's why I'm giving it a name. He's a good friend. All right, so Charlie into the turnaround.
Or cat.
Whatever works. Beginning of Charlie, and. Let's see how I remembered my tempo. Ready, Charlie. Again, and. So here's the next turnaround. It starts on E. And we're going to have another one of those C sharp slides, but on the G string. So we got E, D, C sharp, end on A. Second turnaround. Again, and again, and ready, and E, D, C sharp, A. Again, and so it's going to connect to Charlie the same way. When you get to the end of Charlie and you've just played your G, you're going to go from that G to your E, D. So we'll do the second Charlie going to this second turnaround. Charlie to second turnaround, and again, and again, and all right, here's the plan. Beginning of the B section. First Charlie, first turnaround. Second Charlie, second turnaround. Ready, and first turnaround. Here's your B. Second Charlie. Second turnaround. Woohoo! Let's try it again. Ready, first Charlie. First turnaround. Second Charlie. Second turnaround. All right, you're making good progress.
Miriam, I just have a quick
Yeah.
question. On the G to C sharp, on the G string, are we still, we want to hear the slur?
We want to hear the slurp. Yeah. We'll be semi-authentic. If you didn't want to hear the slurp, 3/4 would be a better fingering. Not that I'm really keen about sliding 4 all over the place, but yes, slurp. So, beginning of the B section, we've got Charlie, turnaround 1, Charlie, turnaround 2. Then we're going to have Charlie, turnaround 1. Everybody catch that? Charlie, turnaround 1. Charlie, turnaround 2. Charlie, turnaround 1. So there'll be 3 Charlies and 2 different turnarounds. So we're about to try that. Ready, and. That was turnaround 2. Here comes Charlie. And turnaround 1. So this is the turnaround that ends on B. All right. 3 Charlies. Beginning of the B section. 2, ready, and. Turn around 1. Here's your B. Second Charlie. Turn around 2. Third Charlie. Turn around 1. I didn't spit that out well. Let's turn around 1. Everybody loosely to that point? Yeah? Sorta? Okay. You at
I'm
least
sorry,
have
could you
a
do
plan?
just turn around one more time?
Yeah, turnaround 1 is A, E, G, A, B. Oh, it's sticking. That's so exciting. All right. So, Charlie, turn around 1. Charlie, turn around 2. Charlie, turn around 1. And then, I don't know, Charlie gets a girlfriend. Something happens. However, it ends with turnaround 2. So in all of that new mess that we're about to do, Charlie's girlfriend, you will know the last 5 notes. I don't know. Dolly. Maybe Charlie's girlfriend's name is Dolly. So this is the beginning of Dolly. Dolly starts on E, and then it's going to go to E octave up. She's very flirtatious. We've got E, E, G, D sharp, E, D sharp. And violin players, you can play it without shifting. You can use open, high 3, high 3. You wouldn't have to shift. You'd be allowed to, but you wouldn't have to. So Charlie's girlfriend, Dolly again, and. Again, and. And. Forgot how many strings I had. Again, and. Again, and. All right, so she's going to continue to be flirtatious her next 4 notes. So you'll have just played a D sharp. Your next note is D natural. D, C, D sharp, D natural. And if you would like to, you can have bonus slides in there. So I'm going to do the beginning of Dolly plus another 4 notes. Ready, and. Ready, and. playing too. Sorry about that. Again, and. Again, and. Next 4 notes start on C. And everything is natural. It's like an arpeggio. C, A, G, C. It's an easy set of 4. Again, same 4. Alright, the beginning of Flirtatious Dolly, adding that on, and. Again, Dolly. Again, and. Alright, we got 8 notes left before the connector. In 1 minute. So I will talk fast. Starts on A. We've got A, G, C, A, G, E, A, G. So our quick new notes, and. And these notes are going to lead into connector number 2. So starting from the A. Alright, we'll pretend we're ready. This is the beginning of Dolly. Ready, and. And we should end on A. So I know it needs about 15 more minutes. I'm going to play all of the B section. And that way you'll have it in one place when you need to go back and figure out what's missing. And I will do it from the last part of the A section so you can hear how it fits in. So this is the last 2 measures of the A section leading into the B section. And that is the overview of the whole thing. On the website, under News of Note, where it says Learn Big Mon, I'm also playing it on the violin without saying Charlie and Dolly. So if you want to just hear it as itself, that is possible. Next week, my plan is that we will be doing a different tune. So hopefully this will stick in your fingers that you can earn your 25 points for it. I did mention 25 points. Learn by ear tune. But that ideally gives you all the tools.
Thank you, Miriam.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Stay warm.
Stay warm. Everybody's in school, so only idiots like me are out running around.
Well, be safe out there. Bye, everybody.
Bye.